I was born in Buffalo and grew up near there and went to a so-called country day school called Nichols School in Buffalo. Got a very good education there. Got into Hamilton College and somehow, and I don't remember really how and why I got in. I was always interested in science, that's one thing. But I always was interested in people. So I mean, I got, somehow this melded together. I can't really remember exactly well, but I got onto this track, the pre-med track in college, and I was a nerd. I just, you know, I was, I was not a, I had my social aspects, but I was somebody who worked very hard in college, managed to get into medical school, and you know, I can't really tell you much more about that, but I've always been happy that I made the choice, let's put it that way. This gets a little personal here. I had met my wife-to-be. She was a junior at William Smith College in Geneva, and I was a senior at Hamilton, and we fell in love practically immediately, wanted to get married, but her father said you can't get married until you finish college. So I went off to medical school, and we kept our relationship going and got married and had our first child when we were in medical school, and then another couple of children at Bassett when I was a resident, and then one in the Army when I was in Germany, and then came back to Bassett. So it was an evolution of, and I always wanted to come back to Bassett. I mean, from the first day I came here, I told you about how amazed I were at the people who were interviewing me, and that sort of feeling about the place just carried through, and I sort of always hoped that I would get a job for my career, and just had a wonderful career.